Hello everyone. Today in this video I will be sharing my daughter Shesta's nighttime routine before going to bed. Our Indian toddler more or less follow the same routine every day. And if it's true, then just connect to us by simply subscribing to our channel and do press this ding dong bell so that whenever the video is uploaded, you get the notification first. So thank you and welcome to our channel Learning with Funny Activities. Uh-oh. Sorry for the dull light guys, cause it's a heavy storm outside and apparently there is a power cut. And our whole house is working on inverter at present. But somehow I managed to shoot this video. Okay, so moving forward, it's around 7:30 p.m. and there is my little girl playing with her puzzle mat. And side by side, I am managing my extra pending work just because it's a time for her father to arrive from the office. And once he arrives, I won't get time as I will be busy making chapatis or fulkas for him. So to ease my work, I need to complete these extra chores. Now it's 8 o'clock and it's her dinner time. So before that, I always make sure to clean her hands by some good antibacterial hand wash. So I prefer to use Dettol hand wash. It's always good for the toddler to learn these basic habits of cleanliness. But watch her. She wants to clean her hands by herself. And I don't know why she acts like a fish. Man, I mean, many toddler loves playing with water. But my girl, it's too much. And look, she is showing you all that her hands have been cleaned. But you know what? If you leave her like this, then she wouldn't bother even to take her dinner. Oh God, it's too much, man. Okay, so here is my little one small foldable dinner table. Actually, it's a multi-purpose table and we often use it at the time of studying, drawing, painting or eating. If anyone using such type of similar table, then please comment below and notify me. One thing which I like most in her is she never throws any tantrums or nuisance at the time of eating. So her today's dinner is pointed gourd or parwal ki sabzi with chapati. Wait, she is rhyming now. Just listen carefully. This vegetable the most just because of its crunchy seeds. And I always make sure to incorporate all the seasonal vegetables in her diet. Mango! Mango is on demand in this season, guys. And my girl couldn't resist herself to bite few pieces of mango after having dinner. This is one of her most favorite plays, enjoying mango on the slab of the kitchen. In fact, on top of my head. It's already 8:46 and I'll have to rush now. By the time I am cleaning all the utensils, she is busy playing with her father. But after 15 minutes, she has to study. So her father is setting her mind to make her study. Now, before winding up my work in the kitchen, I make sure to scrub and remove all the stains from the wash basin and I am done. Yay! Okay, so here is she, studying with her father. At night, it's her father's duty to make her study, practicing the letter of the week E, F, and Z. Her father has dotted the letter E with a blue color pen, and all she is doing is matching the dots and making E out of it. And Johnny, Johnny? Johnny, yes, Papa. It means no, Papa. Johnny, yes, no, Papa. Open them up. Okay, and Hathi Raja? Hathi Raja? Hathi Raja, बहुत बड़े सूट खाकर कहाँ चले? आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी भूमि चल Very good, Nivi. Okay, अब सोना है? चलो. नहीं, और चीटी रानी. Okay, सुना दो. चीटी रानी. चीटी रानी, क्यों कर दिया खानदानी? नाना, खा जाती, पीती चलाती, Now comes final activity. It's 9:30 p.m. and the last activity before bed is brushing, which is, I suppose, very important and crucial as well, to be followed precisely. The toothbrush and toothpaste which I use for her is of Patanjali brand. The reason behind using this type of toothbrush is its soft crystal and nothing like that. And toothpaste she uses is like Dant Kanti. It's also from Patanjali. So nowadays, you know what, Patanjali stores are almost everywhere. But sometimes if it's out of stock, then I buy online. Finally, it's a bedtime. On the bed, as you can see, I have kept her night dress, baby wipe, baby lotion, baby oil and towel. You might be wondering, why is this towel and oil for? So friends, it's not I will shower her, but after cleaning her legs, I will pat dry it with this towel and massage her leg with this oil. My mom used to say me every time that at night baby's body massage should be done. But since it's summer season, I am only massaging her legs. This not only will make her relax but will make her feel de-stressed from all day tiredness. So now I am turning off the light to change her dress and wipe her all day stingy body and will apply the lotion. This will make her body nourish, relax and she will get a good tight sleep. Okay friends, if you like my attempt of making this video, which is our first ever vlog, then please throw your greetings by simply clicking on the like button and do share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next week. Till then, take care and very good night.